Have you ever wondered how a computer functions? How it takes your input, processes it, and gives you the output you need? It's like a well-oiled machine with many parts working in harmony. Today, we're going to dive into the world of computer architecture and explore the various components that make a computer tick. Imagine a bustling city. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the city's command center. It's often considered the brain of the computer, executing instructions, performing calculations, and managing data movement within the system. It's made up of the arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and registers. Just like a city mayor, the CPU ensures everything runs smoothly. Now, every city needs a place to store its resources. That's where the computer's memory comes in. Memory is the computer's storage facility, holding data and instructions for processing. It's like the city's warehouse with random access memory, or RAM, providing temporary storage, and read-only memory, or ROM, offering permanent storage for essential system instructions. But a city isn't a city without its citizens, right? In a computer, these citizens are the input devices that provide data and commands. These include keyboards, mice, touchscreens, and microphones. These devices are the computer's residents, each contributing to the system in their own unique way. And just as citizens need information from the city, output devices display processed data or results. Common output devices include monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. They're like the city's news outlets, delivering the latest updates and information. Now, every city has a place to store its historical records. In a computer, storage devices serve this purpose. They store data persistently, even when the computer is powered off. Examples include hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and optical drives. They're like the city's library, holding a vast amount of information. The motherboard is the city's infrastructure. It's the main circuit board of the computer, housing the CPU, memory modules, expansion slots, and connectors for various peripherals. It's like the city's roads, buildings, and utilities, all neatly organized and interconnected. The bus is the city's transportation system, allowing data to be transferred between components within the computer. It consists of data, address, and control buses. Just like buses, trains, and metros in a city, the bus ensures that data gets to where it needs to go. The peripheral component interconnect, or PCI, is like the city's airport. It's a standard for connecting peripheral devices to the motherboard. PCI slots allow expansion cards like graphics cards, sound cards, and network adapters to be added to the system. Interconnects are the pathways that facilitate communication between different components of a computer system. This includes internal connections within the motherboard as well as external connections like USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. They're like the city's communication lines, ensuring everyone and everything stays connected. Lastly, the architecture of a computer is like the city's blueprint. It refers to the design and organization of a computer system, including its instruction set architecture, memory hierarchy, and input-output mechanisms. It defines how the various components of the computer interact to execute programs and process data efficiently. In conclusion, a computer is a complex system of interconnected components, each playing a crucial role in its function. From the CPU executing instructions to the memory storing data, the input devices providing commands, and the output devices displaying results, each component works together in harmony, much like a bustling city. The architecture of the computer, like the blueprint of a city, ensures that all these components interact efficiently, making the computer the powerful tool that it is today.